Imagine walking into a room. Everyone turns to look at you. Luxury watch. Designer clothes. Brand new car. From the outside, you look rich. But here's the terrifying part. That image might be the exact reason you'll never become wealthy. Luxury companies don't sell shoes, cars, or watches. They sell status. Because people don't actually buy products. They buy the feeling those products promise. Respect, attention, success, belonging. And that is worth billions. Because here's the truth. Most people don't buy luxury to impress rich people. They buy luxury to impress other broke people. And that's exactly how the trap begins. Your neighbor leases a brand new luxury car. Your coworker buys the newest iPhone every year. Your favorite influencer posts another luxury vacation. Suddenly, your normal life starts feeling too small. But here's what nobody tells you. Most luxury is rented, financed, or drowning in debt. This has a name. Lifestyle inflation. The more money you make, the more expensive your lifestyle becomes. Your salary grows. Your expenses grow faster. And before you realize it, you're earning more than ever, yet saving less than ever. The richest people usually don't look rich, because real wealth lives quietly. It grows behind closed doors, inside investments, businesses, stocks, real estate, while everyone else is busy trying to look successful. The wealthy are becoming successful. Here's something shocking. A millionaire and someone pretending to be a millionaire often drive the exact same car, wear the same brands, even live in the same neighborhood. So what's the difference? One owns assets. The other owns payments. This is why the wealthiest people rarely compete for attention. Because attention costs money. But ownership creates money. And that's a game most people never learn until it's too late. Think about this. If someone gave you $1 million today, would you buy a Lamborghini, a luxury watch, a bigger house? That's exactly why most lottery winners end up broke. Because they buy things that look expensive instead of things that make them richer. The wealthy don't ask, "Can I afford this?" They ask, "Will this make me money?" That one question creates two completely different lives. One life owns liabilities. The other owns freedom. Here's the biggest lie social media ever sold you. It made wealth look loud, luxury, flashy, expensive. But real wealth is almost invisible. Because by the time people notice a billionaire, they've already spent years building in silence. So, the next time you see someone driving an expensive car, wearing designer clothes, or living a luxury lifestyle. Don't ask, how rich are they? Ask something far more powerful. How much of it do they actually own? Because looking rich and being rich are two completely different games. One earns attention. The other builds freedom. And once you understand that, you stop chasing approval and start chasing ownership. That's the moment your financial life begins to change. If this changed the way you think about money, subscribe to Craft Crash. Because every week, we expose the hidden psychology behind money, luxury, and billion-dollar businesses. See you in the next documentary.